Hey everybody, this is Charlie from Sex with Charlie. Today I'm going to talk about what is better, hard sex or soft, sensual sex. Stay tuned for this awesome video. So what's better, hard sex or soft sex? There's really no right answer for that. In sex, there's nothing right or wrong. And there's times for something and there's times for other things. And there's times for hard sex and then there's times for soft and sensual sex. So there's really not right or wrong. It's more of what you like best and what you don't like best. As a general rule, and I'm talking as a general rule, most women like soft sensual sex. And probably most men like hard sex, and that's because they feel more like strong and like a man, and maybe we've watched too many adult movies and that doesn't help really, because actually many men don't realize how much more they will feel if they have soft sex more often. Now, why do women like soft sensual sex better? The reason for that is because they feel more, and that's the main reason. And of course they like hard sex sometimes, but that's in a certain situation with a certain fantasy or a certain, I don't know, maybe a quickie, maybe everything gets really wild and you want hard sex, and that's okay, it's fine. But as a general rule, women, in order to have an orgasm, they will like soft sex. And how it works is normally they will start very slow and they will start to feel, because when it's slow, they feel much more. The vaginal walls, they will start to, she can actually compress them and she can actually feel the thrust. And when she feels the thrust is when actually everything gets tuned up. And that's when the G spot is actually stimulated, the A spot, and she feels how these spots are touched and how they are actually stimulated. So that's why they like soft sex. That's the main reason why they like soft sex more than hard, strong sex. Because when it's hard and strong, actually, imagine this. Imagine that something is drilling you, and it's really hard going in and out. Imagine it in any way. I mean, it's not so nice if you think about it. Like, really think about it, about anything that you want to. If someone wants to do something to you, if it's hard and strong, it's probably not going to be as nice. It's actually, imagine a massage. If a massage is really, really strong and like it was really painful, it's not nice. And a massage is nice, slow, and smooth is when you actually feel it. All right. So same thing here. I hope you can imagine what I'm trying to say, because that's why a woman likes soft sex. And actually, man, if you're a man watching this, try to do slow sex more often, and try to actually concentrate on the sensations you have on your penis when you do it slow, and try to concentrate on that. Concentrate on what you're feeling or what your sensations are, and actually you will understand what I'm trying to say. Ask her to actually squeeze the vaginal walls. If she squeezes them, you're gonna feel her. You're gonna feel the vaginal walls, and you're actually gonna have sensations that you probably have never had, because we are used to masturbation. We masturbate too much probably, and well, there's never too much, but what I'm saying is we masturbate often, and we are used to masturbate really quick, and in 5 minutes we want to be done. So we do it very fast, and we are used to do that. And so when we have sex, we translate that, or we do that as well. When we have sex, we want to do it very fast, and that's in my opinion, that's a mistake. Unless it's a certain situation, as I said, quickies and situations where you actually want to do that. But as a general rule, try to do it slower and see how it works. Because at the end, I think it's much better. Slow, sensual sex is much better. Actually, normally how it works with women start very slow. And actually, if they're in control, if they're sitting on top and they're in control, normally how they do is they start very slow and they start to feel, and now they're in control. They are stimulating themselves with your penis the spots they want, and they do it very slow. If you've experienced that before, they start very slow, and they start to speed up. And when they are about to orgasm is when they actually speed up, because they want that, they need that at the time of orgasm. But before that, in the time of arousal or the time of sort of like building up the orgasm, they do it very slow because they want to feel it. And once it's up there, then they go faster. But when you start, do it slow. And as men as well. There's one stroke technique that I like to do. It's a stroke where you actually do it very slow at the beginning, and you do 6 strokes, not going all the way inside. 6 strokes, very slow, maybe halfway in, with your penis halfway in, very, very slow. And then the last one, 7th, on the 7th stroke, you do it all the way in, very slow. And then keep doing it like that for a while, okay? Do it like very slow, very slow. Ideal position for this, anyone, I mean, maybe, I don't know, the missionary maybe, or maybe doggy style could be a good one, or anyone is good. But really do it like that and see how it feels, and then start to speed it up as it goes up. Hear what she's doing, hear her moans, hear everything, because that's going to tell you how much she wants. And you know, that communication without even talking is very important as well. So I just wanted to tell you that there's not right or wrong. Everything is okay in sex, but try that and see how it goes with slower sex instead of that hard sex, because I think slower sex at the end, especially at the beginning, it's going to be much better for both. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. 2 thumbs up if you really like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you've not done so. It's down there, here somewhere. And visit my blog down right here. Get a free ebook and get all the information about the best sex tips you can have. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.